Is your future already decided? It sounds like a question for mystics. But if you take our best modern physics to its logical conclusion, you arrive at a deeply uncomfortable reality. Every choice you will ever make was locked into place the exact moment the universe began. This is the rule of causal chains, the simple law of cause and effect. You chose to watch this video. But why? Maybe you were curious. Why? Because of an interest you developed years ago. If we trace the causes of your actions backward, the chain doesn't stop at your brain. It stretches back through your genetics, through human evolution, straight back to the Big Bang. If the starting conditions of the universe dictate the next falling domino, then your life is just the latest domino to fall. In 1814, mathematician P.F. Simon Laplace took this to its logical peak. He imagined a hypothetical intellect, now called Laplace's demon, that knows the exact position and momentum of every single atom in the cosmos. If this entity knows the laws of physics, it could use that data to calculate the entire future of the universe with absolute certainty. To the demon, the past and the future would be equally present. The future isn't a blank page. It's a math problem that has already been solved. Some physicists push this even further with superdeterminism. In quantum mechanics, we like to think scientists have the freedom to choose how they measure a particle. But superdeterminism suggests the loop is closed. The universe didn't just predetermine the path of the particle, it predetermined the scientist's choice to measure it in that exact way. Everything is locked into a rigid, unbreakable cosmic script. If you think that's just philosophy, look at Albert Einstein. His theory of relativity gave us the relativity of simultaneity, proving there is no universal now, because time is relative to speed and gravity. An observer moving through space might consider your future graduation or retirement ceremony to be happening right now in their timeline. And if your future has already happened according to someone else's clock, then that future must objectively exist. This brings us to the block universe. Imagine a two-dimensional being on a flat sheet of paper. They can only see what is right in front of them. But as a three-dimensional being, you can look down and see their entire world at once. In physics, our universe is a giant, four-dimensional block of space-time. The past isn't gone, and the future isn't unwritten. The dinosaur era, this exact second, and the end of the universe all exist simultaneously. The flow of time is just an illusion of human perspective. The ultimate proof might be hidden in the Wheeler-DeWitt equation. When physicists tried to combine quantum mechanics and relativity to create a framework for the entire cosmos, they noticed something shocking. The equation contains no variable for time. Time completely drops out of the math. It suggests that at the most fundamental level of reality, time doesn't even exist. We live our lives frame by frame, like characters in a movie. But physics tells us the film has already been printed, rolled, and stored away. You aren't writing the story, you are just experiencing it.